In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly schedule transactions using the Schedule Transaction Editor. Whether you're managing monthly expenses like rent or setting up weekly savings, this feature will help streamline your financial planning. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to the editor. To do this, head to the Actions menu and from there, select Schedule Transactions. Within that submenu, you'll find an option called Schedule Transaction Editor. Clicking this will open up a new window where you can manage all your scheduled financial activities. Once in the editor window, you'll notice a range of options available to you. The next thing you want to do is add a new schedule. To create one, simply click on the New button. This will open up a form where you can input all the necessary details for the transaction you're planning to automate. Now, it's time to enter the transaction details. Start with a clear description that reflects the purpose of the transaction. Something like monthly rent could work if that's what you're setting up. This makes it easy to recognize later on. Then specify your transfer accounts. For example, if you're moving money from a checking account to cover rental expenses, you might enter something like checking to expenses. Rent. This tells the system where the money is coming from and where it's going. Next, fill in the amount of the transaction. If it's your rent, you might enter $500. The exact figure will obviously depend on your particular needs and the transaction you're setting up. Once you have the transaction's basic details in place, it's important to set the frequency. Determine how often you want the transaction to occur, whether that's monthly, weekly, or even yearly. This setting ensures that the transactions happen at the proper intervals automatically. Additionally, you'll need to enter a start date to specify when you want these transactions to begin. If the transaction has a predetermined end date, make sure to fill that in as well. With all that information correctly entered, you're ready to save your schedule. You'll see an OK or Save button in the editor. Clicking this will finalize everything you've set up. Once you hit Save, your transaction will either auto-generate or act as a reminder based on the specifics of your settings. This ensures that your financial activities are on track, preserving peace of mind and eliminating the risk of forgetting vital transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up automatic scheduled transactions. It's a taste of financial efficiency and planning that can free up your time for other important tasks. Get comfortable with exploring the different configurations to truly maximize what this tool can do for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy financial planning.